students. Good morning to all of you. See, last class we learned what is sequence, what is series, and what is real sequence, what is a progression, and types of progressions. Okay, in the types of progression we learned arithmetic progression definition and few related questions, basic questions. Okay, first step. What is a sequence? Sequence is a function whose domain is a set n natural numbers. Set n natural numbers. Okay. Let us assume that if a1, a2, a3 and so on, an is a sequence, then a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus and so on plus an plus and so on is called as a series. It's called as a series. If a1, a2, a3 and so on are sequence, then a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus and so on plus an is called as a series. If a sequence follows some pattern, then it is called as a progression. Some pattern, then it is called as a progression. Okay, in the progressions, there are four types of progressions we learn: arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression, arithmetic geometric progression. Now we are discussing arithmetic progression. A sequence, arithmetic progression is a sequence which obtained by adding a fixed number to its preceding term except the first term. Except the first term is called as a arithmetic progression. The fixed number which you are adding may be positive, negative or 0. Okay. The fixed number which we are adding is also known as a common difference and it is denoted by D. Okay. Now based on this definition, we learned few problems. Now, applications of trigonometry, applications of progressions. Applications. First question, find the first 5 terms in the series whose nth term is given. First question, Tn is equal to n into n plus 1. How many terms? First 5 terms. First 5 terms. So T1, wherever n is there, substitute values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And T1 is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 ones are 2. T2 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 twos are 6. T3 is equal to 3 into 3 plus 1 is equal to 3 fourths 12. Okay. T4 is equal to 4 into 4 plus 1, 5 fours are 20. T5 is equal to 5 into 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 5s are 30. Okay. This is a series. In a series, nth term is given. From this series, nth term 8, 20. 20 plus 30, 20 plus 10, 30. Are these are in AP? No, just it is a progression, some pattern it is following. 4, 6, 8, 10. Every number is increased by with a different number, by adding a different number. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like that. It is following a some pattern. So since it is following a pattern, it is called as a progression, but not arithmetic progression. But not arithmetic progression. Okay. Arithmetic progression is nothing but arithmetic progression is a sequence which obtained by adding a fixed number. Whereas here you are not adding a fixed number, you are adding a different numbers. 4, first and 4, second number obtained by adding a 4, third number obtained by adding a 8, fourth number obtained by adding a 10, 6, fourth number obtained by adding a 8, fifth number obtained by adding a 10. So this is a progression, but it is not a arithmetic progression. Progression definition is a sequence which follows some pattern is called as a progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence which obtained by adding a fixed number to its preceding term except the first term is called as a arithmetic progression. Okay. Now see here, we learn first term, also find out the first term, common difference, and then different 5 terms, first 5 terms, all those things we learned in previous class. Now I go with the another question. Determine 25th term of an AP whose ninth term is -6 and the common difference is 5/4. Determine 25th term of an AP whose ninth term is -6 and common difference is 5/4. What we have to find out? 25th term, T25 we need to find out. What they given? T9 given and common difference given. Common difference values D is equal to 5/4 and what they given here? T9 is equal to -6. T9 general form. T9 is nothing but A plus 8D is equal to -6. A plus 8D is equal to -6. A plus here D is there, 9th term is there. They asked to find out 25th term. To find out the 25th term, T25 is equal to A plus 24D. Okay, D value we have, but we don't have A. From this 9th term, we find out A value. From this 9th term, T9 is equal to -6. T9 is A plus 8D is equal to -6. A plus 8 into D value is 5/4 is equal to -6. 4 1s are 4 2s are. A plus 5 2s are 10 is equal to -6. A is equal to -6 minus 10, that is equal to -16. Now A is equal to -16, D is equal to 5/4. Now what you require here? 25th term. T25 is equal to A plus 24D. A plus 24D. A value is -16 plus 24 into D value is 5/4. Okay. Here 4 1s 4 6. That is equal to -16 plus 6 5 is 30. -16 plus 30 is 14. -16 plus 30 is equal to 14. 14 is the 25th term. Once again see here, determine 25th term of an AP whose ninth term is -6 and common difference is 5/4. Common difference in D value is 5/4 they given and T9 is equal to -6 they given. They asked to find out 25th term. To find out the 25th term, we have a formula. General form is 25th term T25 is equal to A plus 24D. In that A we don't have, D we have.
First find out a value from ninth term. A plus 8d is equal to minus 6. A plus 8 into d value 5 by 4 is equal to minus 6. 4 ones 4 twos. A plus 10 is equal to minus 6. A is equal to minus 6 minus 10 minus 16. Now I got a value, d value already they given. Substitute these values. T25 is equal to a plus 24d minus 16 plus 24 into 5 by 4. 4 6 are 6 5 are 30. 30 minus 16 is 14. Okay.
Next question. Find the 38th term. Find 30th term of the AP. 10, 7, 4, and so on.
Find the 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4 and so on.
Here given AP given, previous question D value they given, one term they given, from those two we find out, we determined the 25th term, but here we need to find out 38th term. They did not give any term, just a series they give, sequence they given, arithmetic progression sequence given, 10, 7, 4 and so on. Need not to verify is it in AP or not, need not to verify, because the question is find the 30th term of the AP, means the given sequence is already in AP. So since it is in AP, first term T1 is equal to A is equal to 10, common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1, common difference T2 minus T1. What is T2 here? 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. D value is minus 3. Now what they ask here? 38th term. T30 is equal to A plus 29D. T30 is equal to A plus 29D. What is A here? 10 plus 29 into D value is minus 3. Now simplify it. 10 plus into minus 29 3s 87. That is equal to 10 minus 87 is minus 77. Minus 77. Previous question, common difference given, one term they are given. From that 25th term we found. Now here AP sequence given. From this sequence we need to find out only 30th term. If they ask 100th term also same procedure. Nth term general formula will get, means in terms of n will get. Okay. Next one, find 11th term and 27th term of the AP. Minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2 and so on. Minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2 and so on. What they ask here? 11th and 27th term of this AP. Given AP is minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2 and so on. This is a given sequence AP. Now from this one first to find out common difference in first term. First term A is equal to minus 3, D is equal to T2 minus T1, D is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 3, D is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 3, D is equal to 2 LCM minus 1 plus 3 2s are 6, D is equal
5 by 2. D value I got. Now A value I got. Now we need to find out the 11th term first. T11 is equal to A plus 10D. A plus 10D. T11 is equal to A plus 10D. Substitute the values here. A is minus 3 plus 10 into D value is 5 by 2. 2 ones, 2 5s. That is equal to minus 3 plus 5 5s are 25. Minus 3 plus 25 is 22. T11 is equal to 22. Is it correct? A is equal to minus 3. D is 5 by 2. Minus 3 plus 10 into 5 by 2. 2 5s. 5 5s 25. 25 minus 3. Next one is T27. T27. T27 is A plus 26D. That is equal to A value minus 3 plus 26 into D value 5 by 2 we got. So 2 ones, 2 13s. That is equal to minus 3 plus 13 5s are 65. Now minus 3 plus 65 is 62. Minus 3 plus 65 is 62. Okay. Next. If A2 is equal to 13, A4 is equal to 3, find A3, A7. Find A3 and A7. A4, A2 is equal to 13. A2 is nothing but a second term of AP is 13. Second term of AP is 13. A2 is equal to 13. A2 means the second term is A plus D is equal to 13. Here A also unknown quantity, D also unknown quantity. Equation. Okay. And next one is another one is A4 is equal to 3. A4 can be written as A plus 3D is equal to 3. Again one more linear equation. Solve these two equations by substitution method or by elimination method or any other method. Okay. So you can go through with the elimination or substitution method, any method. Solve these two linear equations. That is one. Now see here. Now I will take this. A2 can be written as A2 is nothing but A plus D is equal to 13. In this one A and D are unknown values, unknown quantities. So either convert D in terms of A or A in terms of D. I will convert A in terms of D because A is the first value which is a positive one. 13 minus D. A is equal to 13 minus D. Just I am using the substitution method here. A is equal to 13 minus D. Next what they given here? A4 is equal to 3. A4 is equal to 3. A4 can be written as A plus 3D is equal to 3. Now A4 is equal to A plus 3D. A means just now I converted in terms of D. A is equal to 13 minus D. Substitute that value here. 13 minus D plus 3D is equal to 3. 13 minus D plus 3D is equal to 3. In the place of A, substitute this 13 minus D plus already 3D is there. Now this can be written as 13 minus D plus 3D is plus 2D is equal to 3. Now transpose the values. 2D is equal to 3 minus 13. Constant separated. D is equal to 3 minus 13. 2D is equal to minus 10. 2 ones, 2 5s. D is equal to minus 5. D 5. Now already a is equal to 13 minus d is going to substitute that. A is equal to 13 minus half minus 5. A is equal to 13 plus 5. A is equal to 18. A is equal to 18. See here, A2 is equal to 13. A2 is equal to 13 means second term of AP is 13. Second term is A plus, can be written as A plus D is equal to 13. A plus D, A also unknown and D also unknown. Either A convert in terms of D or D convert in terms of A. Now, I am transposing D value to the other side. Then A is equal to 13 minus D. A I converted in terms of D. Now another condition what they given, A4 is equal to 3. A4 is equal to 3. A plus 3D is equal to 3. A is 13 minus D plus 3D is equal to 3. 13 minus D plus 3D plus 2D is equal to 3. 2D is equal to 3 minus 13 plus 13 minus 13. D is equal to minus 5. Now substitute this D value in this one. A is equal to 13 minus D. That is A is equal to 13 minus half minus 5, 18. Okay. Minus 13 plus 5, 18. Now what do you require here? A3. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A plus 2D. A is equal to, what is A value here? 18. Plus 2 into D value is minus 5. That is equal to 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. A3 is equal to 8. Another one is A7. A7. A7 is equal to A plus 6D. A is 18 plus 6 into minus 5. That is equal to 18 minus 30 is equal to minus 12. Minus 30 is equal to minus 12. Okay. A2 is equal to 13, A4 equal to 3 they given, they asked A3 and A7. Similarly, another question. If A2 is equal to 38, A6 is equal to minus 22, find A4, A5. A4, A10. Find A4 and A10. See here, A2 is equal to 38. A2 can be written as A plus D is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus D. A is equal to 38 minus D because A and D are unknown quantities. A converted in terms of D. Next one is what they given here. A6 is equal to minus 22. A6 can be written as A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. A 38 minus D substitute here. 38 minus D plus 5D is equal to minus 22. 38 minus D plus 5D is a plus 4D is equal to minus 22. Now substitute, transfer the values. 4D is equal to minus 22 minus 38. 4D is equal to minus 16. 4 ones, 4 15s. D is equal to minus 15. D is equal to minus 15. D is equal to minus 15. See here, A2 is equal to 38, A6 is equal to minus 22. They given A2 can be as A plus D is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus D. Now next value is A6 is equal to minus 22. A6 can be written as A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. 38, substitute 38 minus D plus 5D is equal to minus 22. 38 4d is equal to minus 22. 4d is equal to minus 22 minus 38. 4d is equal to minus 60. d is equal to minus 15. Now a value find out. A is equal to 38 minus d, that is equal to 38 minus of d value is minus 15. That is equal to A is equal to 38 plus 15 is equal to 53. Okay, A is equal to 53. Substitute d value here. 38 minus of minus 15 plus 15. 38 plus 15, 53. Now what you require here? A4. A4 is equal to A plus 3d. That is equal to A value is 53 plus 3 into d value is minus 15. Now 53 plus into minus 53 is a 45. 53 minus 45 is 8. A4 is equal to 8. Now next to A10 is equal to A plus 90. A plus 90. A value is 53 plus 9 into d value is minus 15. Now 53 plus into minus 59 is 135. Now subtract this. 20 minus 5 8. 12 minus 5 7 minus 78. Is it correct? 125. Sorry. 5 minus 3 2. 13 minus 5 8 minus 82 minus 82. Okay. A2 38, A6 minus 22 they given. From these two values A and D values we found. Next to what we required A4 and A10 we found. Okay.
Next few more applications in next class.